Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we'll match answers of block 17, changes people make. Be ready with all your essentials. And now, match your answers. Match. These are all PQ of this block. Match PQ1. PQ1, answer true or false. A. Buddha founded the Jain religion. No. False. Buddha founded the religion Buddhist, and the followers of Buddha are known as Buddhists. Next, Guru Nanak was the founder of the Sikh religion. True. He lived in Punjab more than 500 years ago and he founded Sikh religion. Next, Pandita Ramabai was a famous scientist. False. Pandita Ramabai was a teacher and the scholar of Sanskrit. Next, C.V. Raman was a famous singer. False. C.V. Raman was a famous scientist and he was the professor of physics in Kolkata. Next, Mahavira was against killing animals. True. He was against killing animals and he wanted people to live in peace with one another and always speak the truth. And he founded Jain religion. And PQ2 is, who was Gautam Buddha? Why did he leave his palace? Gautam Buddha, his real name was Siddharth and he was a prince of Lumbini and now it is in Nepal. He was sad to see poor and sick people outside his palace, and by seeing their condition he left his palace to become a monk at the age of 29 years. PQ3, who was Mahavira? What did he believe in? Mahavira was a prince born in Vaishali in Bihar and he believed that people should live in peace and always people should speak the truth, and he was against of killing animals or insects, and he always wanted people to be kind to one another. PQ4, what did Guru Nanak teach people? Guru Nanak told people to treat everyone equally because we all are same in the eyes of God, and he told people that there is only one God, and he told people to help needy and poor and love and respect each other and treat everyone equally. PQ5, why did Ramabai fight to improve the position of women? Ramabai fought to improve the position of women because in the past women were treated badly and condition of women was not good, and they were forced to marry at very young age and they were not allowed to get education. So condition of women were not good, and that's why she fought to improve the position of women. PQ6, what kind of people can help society? So great people who are kind, fearless, brave and considerate, they can help society. Considerate means a person who think about others. PQ7, write about any person you read about or have heard about who helped people and society. I have read about Mother Teresa. She was a very great lady because She left her job and all pleasure of her life to help poor and needy people and patients and or sick people. She was very kind, caring and considerate lady. I have heard about, and she helped people and society, and she became famous for her work towards society. PQ8. Do all great people become famous like the other famous people we read about? Explain your answer with an example. So no, all great people do not become famous like the other famous people like Pandita Ramabai, Sir C.V. Raman and other religious leaders, because I know a person who always ready to help others, who is kind, considerate, fearless, brave and caring, and he always ready to help others, and he visit orphanage frequently to donate things, needy things to people who need them.